Hello friends, Chintamani here. So I am on the Mumbai Goa National Highway. So currently I am at Kudal on the highway itself. I am traveling towards another village called Paushi. It's very near to this place, but I thought that I'll try to shoot some stretch of the Mumbai Goa National Highway. So it's been made as a 4-lane highway now. Nice to see here. Not lot of traffic, and it's nice to drive. Although I am on a two-wheeler, so for me it's simpler. But so this is what is a national highway, and will be soon going towards Paushi. So while going from Kudal to Paushi, you will see on board here it says if you go straight it is Mumbai. So and if you go towards left, which is Vengurla, but for Vengurla I have to actually go from the service road, which is here on this highway. You can see this side. So the service road is on the left hand side. So I have already committed myself on the main highway, so I can't go to the service road now. But this is what is the highway will soon reach Paushi. But before that, we'll try to see how many diversions are there towards Kudal town. So if you take left from the service road, you'll see Hotel Raj. So just besides Hotel Raj, if you turn to left, this is the junction. If you turn to the left and go slightly down, then you will actually reach Kudal town. So this is another junction which goes towards Kudal ST stand. But before that, on the left hand side, we have an ST depot. Less number of buses are there right now, but in the evening and early morning you will see a lot of them. So from here we will be traveling towards village Paushi. But you can see here this is a service road. So if you come through the internal road of Kudal town, then you have to come to this junction and then turn left from the service road and then join the national highway. We are going towards Paushi. In between we'll have a river called Bangsal. About to reach the river Bangsal while going towards Paushi. So you can see here, soon we'll reach that spot. I'm waiting for a few seconds on this bridge. A village called Pandur is around 6 kilometers from here. So from the Mumbai Goa National Highway, which is called as NH66, you can see here the Bangsal river. I'm on to the top of that bridge. Nice river, quite cool, calm. The only noise which I can hear is of the vehicles passing by the highway. So this river goes through and keeps going. It's a small one, then it merges with other big rivers down the line. So this is the national highway here. I'll just go both sides. So I came from this side, which is the Goa side, going towards the Mumbai side, but actually I will be traveling only till a village called Paushi. So guys, I have reached Paushi. We'll stop here for some time and we'll be going back. So while returning back from Paushi, this is a small village there. It's part of Paushi itself. So a lot of vegetables here. You can see two people also here. It's all green. You can see it. Nice to watch. And this is the highway where we are traveling. On the other side, on the west, you can see the sun is about to set. We are planning to reach home in next few minutes. So when you return from Paushi to Kudad, on the left hand side there is a small diversion which goes to a village called Mulde, which is around 3 kilometers from here. You can see on the board there's a road on the other side, which you can see the vehicles are passing by. So it's a college of horticulture. We had visited earlier this place and it's quite nice. I'll try to cover that place sometime. It's very nice place and lots of trees, different type of trees, and there is a college, a lot of people there. This is the national highway. We are on the national highway traveling back from Paushi to Kudal. We'll be soon reaching back to Kudal. You can see here the board on the national highway. While going towards Kudal, you have to turn right if you want to go to the railway station or to the town. If you want to go ahead to Goa, like Panji, then you have to go straight. Even for the village Dharap, you have to go straight. There's a small river below the bridge which you see ahead of me. Once I cross that, it is Kudal. Chintamani Thakur here, signing off for now from the Mumbai-Goa National Highway. Bye bye.